Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Gmail account within 5 minutes. Creating a free account is also incredibly easy, and you can have multiple accounts, making it the go-to email service for many people. As of April 2022, Gmail had a market shares of 29% in the email client space. Whether you need a new email account for business or personal use or your spam mail, here's everything you need to know about creating a new Gmail account. You don't need a computer to create a Gmail account. You can easily create one with your smartphones. The steps are pretty much the same whether you use an Android or iPhone. First things first, open the Gmail app on your phone. And if you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from the Google Play or App Store on your iPhone. Then, tap the profile and tap Sign In. And then tap on the Add Account button. Now, select Google. You'll see a list of different email providers. Since you're setting up a Gmail account, select Google. And then, create your email address and password. You'll be asked to enter your email address on the next screen. Tap the Create Account button at the bottom of the screen. Now, set up your account. You'll also need to select your profile picture, enter your name, and set up any other preferences you may have. Accept the terms of service. After setting up your account, you'll be asked to accept the terms of service. Read through them carefully and tap I agree to continue. To access your new account on your phone, simply open the Gmail app and choose from the list of accounts. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.